You're spending hundreds on AI tools monthly, but what if the best ones are completely free? Let's compare. Most creators start with paid tools unnecessarily. Free AA platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Canva offer 80% of features at zero cost. Paid subscriptions only make sense once you hit specific limitations, volume caps, advanced outputs, or API access. Test free versions first before committing financially. ChatGPT 12 handles content writing and coding. Canva A generates graphics instantly. Perplexity A provides real-time research. Hagen offers free video generation. D creates talking avatars. Runway handles video editing. These tools cover 95% of freelancer and small business needs without payment. Upgrade when you need higher usage limits, priority support, or for video creators. Synthesia or Adobe Firefly's paid tiers justify costs. For agencies handling multiple clients, pay plans prevent throttling. Calculate ROI. If a tool saves 10 hours weekly, it's worth 20K a month. Start completely free. Document your workflow and pain points. Only upgrade when you hit genuine limitations, not marketing hype. Most successful freelancers use 60% free tools and 40% paid. Be strategic, not impulsive. Your profitability depends on smart tool choices, not expensive subscriptions. Which free A tool are you using most? Comment below and subscribe for weekly A tool comparisons that save you money. Luck and document your